Window AC reinvented. I think this is my first time I seen this window air conditioning. It's a U-shaped design. Look at the side. And less noise, more light, and save energy. This is a 8,000 BTU. So it's a 350 square feet, 15 inch by 23. So we'll see. Looks like it's nice thing. So we have this product review of window air conditioner from Amazon, Midea. It says lowers than noise and lowers their electric bills. That's a big thing, and I hope so. So my husband is installing this one, and I'm gonna show you later if we got everything is figured out. Okay, what you got here?
I don't know. I'll have to open it up and see.
This
Looks
is
like a window air conditioner.
air conditioning. Where did you buy this one? Amazon?
Remote control.
Remote control. We have extra battery here. We have instructions.
Must be for the remote control, huh?
What is that?
I would say these are pillows for the support. All kinds of good stuff.
There we go. We got here the air conditioning. My husband bought this one because it says, what's it? Lower your bills. What is it? I've seen that already. Oh, here. Lowers the noise and lowers your electric bill. Think so? See? After you figure it out, how is it? Kinda quiet.
Pretty quiet.
See, this is nice. See? You can't hear the... Oh, very good. Wow. Nice. So far, you like it, sir?
Yeah.
So, this is... very nice. I like this one.
Down to 60.
It's down to 60. Yeah. I mean, it's very quiet.
And it's got different settings for the fan speed.
Oh, there is a connect for a... what's that, Bluetooth?
I think so.
We did not figure out that yet. There's a swing. What a swing.
Swings this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see.
Connect to the Bluetooth.
Yeah. I want to figure out that one. What is a eco? Ah, eco. There's a mode. Oh, you can put auto cool dry fan. So far, this is very good. Midea Ushape window air conditioning. Nice one. Thank you everyone for watching our videos. We have product reviews here. So far it's good from Amazon, and please like and subscribe and share if you do, and have a good day everyone. Bye.